Raccoons tried to steal stuff last night. I stopped. Mosquitoes are relentless. Well, we found a beach, and somebody forgot their underwear and one of their socks. So, ow! Is that cool? Die, mosquitoes die. 23%, 0.5. DEET. Killed mosquitoes dead. So the raccoons come back tonight. We got a water gun. Down in a campsite behind everybody here. It's insane. Luckily nobody was hurt. And it's raining again. And we're heading to the beach. But, you know, on the bright side, there's the bright side. Look at the sky. It's bright. Now let's see what happens today. That's hurt. But anyways, we fished for a little while. I didn't film much, really. But, didn't catch anything. I'll try another place now. The water level's so high, it's hard to get to anything right now. But, that's no excuse. So, tomorrow we catch fish. So right now, we've come back to the camp. We have a fire going. Got some more wood coming. The little ones are having showers because they're covered in sand. And then we're going to cook some steak. Let's do this. It's okay. It's called nature. Bailey's. When you accidentally make raspberry gin sparkling water
Bailey's marshmallow
in the same cup you just drank Bailey's and marshmallow in. Damn. Well, this day turned out pretty good. Oh. I found the giant marshmallows. Makes everything better. Raccoon. Not yet. So, it's almost the end of the night. Just sitting on bed. I'm ready for the raccoons this time. Because, yeah. Bring on the raccoons.